This is just crazy. NotebookLM has so many cool features that if you never used it, I will highly recommend use it. I'm gonna go over step by step and show you what's inside NotebookLM. Let's get started. When you first come in, the website will be notebooklm.google, and then when you get in here, click on try NotebookLM. And when it loads, you can see all these notes I've been working on. And to create one, you just go over here, click on create new, and it will take you to the main screen, main dashboard. On the left side, you will see source. When you click on it, it will have all the source you can add. You can have a web source. You can add your Google Drive. Also, you have two different type of research. You have fast research and deep research. Now on the bottom, you can upload files. You can add websites, drive, or you can copy text. Now when you add your documents, it will be all over here, your links and documents. Middle will be all your chat section that you chat with LM and tell him what to do. And let me move myself. On the right hand side, studio will have all the outputs. You want an audio output, video output, mind map, quizzes, and all kinds of fun stuff over here. So I'm gonna go back, and I was working on one of those ChatGPT Health, and I'm gonna show you what I did. That will be faster. So what I did, I went ahead and when I click on it, you can see I added a lots of information. Let me move myself again. I added a lot of information on the left hand side about ChatGPT Health from the ChatGPT Health website, and it went ahead and summarized it on over here in the middle, and you can see it is the summary. You can save the note, you can copy it, but when you go down, from the summary, it gives you different questions that you can actually kind of help you. And how does ChatGPT Health integrate personal medical records and wellness app data? Different questions, you can actually click on it and it will give you more information on that. I went ahead and I went to the chat box over here and I say, write me a YouTube video script from the article. So from this article, and it went ahead and gave me the whole scene by scene YouTube video script. How cool is that? Now, from this, there's an option over here. You can set it up, configuration. How do you want the output? You want as a learning guide or custom? You can choose the length. You can say, I want my output longer or shorter. And then when you save it, and it remembers. On your output section, from this article I put it in, I can have an audio overview, video overview, mind map, report, flashcard, quiz, infograph, slide deck, data table. I went ahead and download some of those so y'all can look at it. The coolest part is this one that I loved. It is the audio overview, and it has that when you click on that edit button over here, it will tell you want your audio output deep dive, brief, critique, or debate. Based on whichever one you pick, it will give you the output. And you can have short or long version. And you can pick your language also. And what should the AI host focus on the episode? So you can say anything you wanted to say, and the AI will communicate from what you put it in and create that. And then when you generate, it will generate the audio file for you. Now it's an interactive audio file, and how cool this is, let me show it to you. So if I turn it on,
I want you to picture a scenario. I'm willing to bet that every single person listening has.
now it's an interactive means when the audio is playing, you can join and you can ask a question. and it will communicate with you. Watch this. I'm going to show you how cool is this. So they're talking about my topic, which is ChatGPT health. And let's say start it.
Live through this.
Oh, for sure.
You've just left a doctor's appointment. You're in your car, engine's off, and you're just staring at this crinkled printout of your lab results.
The dreaded printout. I know it well.
Exactly. And yeah, the doctor explained it in the room, but 10 minutes later, it might as well be in a different language.
And, you know, there's a portal online somewhere.
I'm going to go ahead and click on the join between while they're talking, and let's see what it does.
And then,
oh, hey there. What's up?
Hey, I was thinking, are you guys talking about ChatGPT health?
Hello. And yes, you absolutely nailed it.
you got us. That's exactly where we're headed.
We were just painting a picture of the problem this new product is trying to solve.
That problem being the huge mess of scattered medical notes.
The official name is ChatGPT Health, and it's a big deal.
It's their dedicated experience for health and wellness.
It launched earlier this month on January 7th, 2026.
We're diving deep into exactly what it is.
And more importantly, whether it...
So, how cool is that? So you have an interactive audio that you can communicate, and you can go ahead and download it and use it anywhere you wanted to. Now you have, let's say, video. See, I had a video. So when you click on the video, it will show you the video it created from your article.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are diving into something brand new from OpenAI called ChatGPT Health. How big of a deal this is. Get this. OpenAI found that over 230 million people are already asking ChatGPT questions about health and wellness every single week.
How cool is that? Now, so you have the video slide over here. You can share it. You can show the prompt, or you can download it and you can use it anywhere you want. Now, mind map, if you look at the mind map, let me go down, and it shows, here's the mind map, and it's kind of cool, like it says core features when you click on it, and it goes to the next step, and then you click on this one, it goes to the next step, and it breaks down step by step, turn it into a mind map. How cool. You can download it. And then let's go back and look at the next one is the report. So let's go back to the report. Here's the report over here, and it shows the whole report step by step. How cool. Nicely, neatly got it done. And then you can go ahead and copy it. The next one is flashcard. So if you look at the flashcard, it's the health flashcard. If you click on it, it gives you one by one. Now, how cool is that? What is the primary goal of ChatGPT Health? Now, here's the answer. If you click on it, it will show you the answer. And you wanted to explain the answer, and it will go ahead and explain the answer for you. How awesome is that? Now you can go ahead and download it and use it anywhere you wanted to. If you are a teacher, if you are teaching somewhere, or if you are an educator, it's a great product for you guys. Now, quiz, and there's an option. You can actually click on the quiz, and it will, what is the primary stated purpose of health? ChatGPT Health, and you can answer it, and it will say, not quite. Here's the right answer. How awesome is that? And go to the next one. If you read it, click on it, not quite. Here's the right answer. And you can use that quiz. And if you have any question, you can click on that explain button. It will explain it to you. So quiz and then infograph. Now watch this. How cool is that? If you click on the infograph, and it took my data I input at the beginning, and it turned into a beautiful step-by-step infograph. Look at how beautiful this is. And then you can share it, you can download it, and you can use it anywhere you want. Next one is the slide deck. Let's look at the slide deck. And here's the slide deck. Look how beautiful it is. Professionally done slide deck, and you can download it, share it, or you can play it from here. Yeah, let's go out of there. and the next one will be data table. And I don't know, I clicked on that, but look at this. When I click on the data table, that input, I put it in from the beginning. That will turn into a beautiful data table that you can share with anybody. You can save it, you can download it, anything you wanted to do. There is so much cool things you can do with NotebookLM, and there is so many other features. Okay, let's look at the data table I clicked. Here we go. Look how professionally done, beautiful ChatGPT health features and integration overview. Step by step, turn into a data table for you. How beautiful is this? You can export to sheets and you can delete it, you can download it, whichever way you want to use it. So there is so much you could do with the NotebookLM. Is unbelievable. Use it, and this will a great valuable product that Google introduced to us, and this is beautiful. Thank you for joining us today. Like the video and share with anybody you wanted to share with, and subscribe to our channel. See you later, guys.